Hey guys, so today's CKLA agenda is as follows. First, you're going to need to watch the video lesson, which is this right now, so good job. Second, you're going to need to read the passage. Weathering and erosion is today's passage. Then you're going to complete the CKLA lesson activity, which is a Google form on Google Classroom. Please, please, please read all the directions and follow them carefully. And then you're going to do Amplify Reading app for 20 minutes. And that's something we do each day. Okay, for today's lesson, it's going to be quick and simple. We are learning a new sound for the letter I spelling. So the spelling I makes the E sound sometimes. So usually the E sound is either made by a Y or an E, which we have learned before this year, but it also can be made by the I. So we're going to read a couple of these words and see the I making the E sound. Our first word is experience. So that I is making the E sound. Radio, radio. Easier, easier. Audience, audience. Happiness, happiness. Medium, medium. Heavier, heavier. Piano, piano. Taxi, taxi. Ski, and gymnasium, gymnasium. Okay, real quick, we're going to do a sorting activity with our 3 different sounds that the I can make, and then I will send you on your way to do your activity. All right, we are going to sort these words into 3 different categories. The first one is making the I sound like it. The second one is making the I sound like driver. And the third column is making the E sound like ski. Okay. Our first word is easier. So what sound is the I making in ease? E-er. It's the E sound. E-er, like ski. Our second word is fish. Fish. So I is making what sound in fish? It is making the I sound, like it. Our next word is find. 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 What sound is the I making in find? It is making the I sound, like driver. Find, driver. Our next word is his. 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 It is making the I sound like it. Our next word is taxi. And taxi has the I at the end. So what sound is the I making in tax-E? It's making the E sound. And our last word is writer. Writer. What sound is the I making in writer? It's making the I sound. So we'll put it in the I column. All right, guys, for today's activity, you're going to be doing the exact same thing that we just did, sorting the words. You're going to be given a word in a sentence that is in all caps, and you need to tell me what sound the I is making in that word. All right, guys, now you need to go read Weathering and Erosion in Google Classroom. Then you're going to complete the lesson 13 Google form, which has an activity like we just did. You're going to be choosing the sound that the word with the I spelling is making. And then you're going to do amplify reading for 20 minutes. Have a great day.